The button under number 1 is your play and pause control. Click once to start the lecture, and click again to pause it. You can use the spacebar on your keyboard for play and pause as well, if your browser supports it. Next, this button lets you replay the last 10 seconds. Click it whenever you want to quickly hear something again without guessing where to go. Number 3 is the next up button to skip to the next video. Under number 4 is the volume control. Click the speaker icon to mute or unmute. Many players also let you drag left or right here to adjust the sound volume. At number 5, you'll see the time display. The first number shows your current position in the lecture, and the second number shows the total length of the talk. The grid icon is under number 6. Click this to open the list of lectures or chapters, depending on how your course is organized. It's a quick way to jump to another talk or section. Number 7 is the settings menu. Here you may be able to change playback speed, video quality, or other options, depending on what's available for your course. Finally, this button turns full screen mode on and off. Click it to make the slide fill your screen for easier viewing, and press the escape key or click it again to return to normal size.